story that when we went to Cartagena, Colombia, they have a fort. They claim it's the most important in the Caribbean. And without any question, Colombia was extremely important, Cartagena, because that's where they brought all the mining products from Peru and from Guacha here. This could be slippery. So
Is this the way we came up? Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is how we came up.
as far as the actual fortification, more importantly, the way that it's being kept day and night with this one and the water. And everything has to be placed in contrast with what's happening in the Caribbean basin. In those years, you know, they obviously never thought they would lose Havana, which to them was probably one of their priciest possessions, because that's also where I don't know if you know this, the convoys from Cartagena with all the riches from South America and the convoy from Mexico, which brought all the mining from Mexico and even from the Philippines that came through Acapulco all the way to a port on the Caribbean, which I forget now, Cuernavaca I think it is. So those convoys from Cuernavaca in Mexico and from Cartagena met in Havana, and then they had a huge convoy to protect themselves from the pirates that actually went with all those riches back to Spain, which was funding the Spanish crown. So the importance of Havana as that meeting place, and then Puerto Rico was kind of the place, if there was a storm they would come here, because they had the capacity here in this port to accept all those ships from those two locations and from Havana. And then when they lost Havana, they had to trade Florida and everything else. Then the United game, San Juan was extremely important for maintaining their control, and this was finished in 1790 something.
Which way are we going?
They lost South America at the beginning of the 19th century. Bolívar was doing his thing, 1810. Something is when they started losing all those properties, all those colonies they had in South America. So by then this became almost like, you know, it was too little too late. But they went ahead and built this. They should have built this in Havana earlier. They didn't have the foresight.